A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Cursive letters का revision. See here. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. You have to hold your pencil like this. Now tell me the first letter of alphabet. Very good. A. The first letter of alphabet is A. A for apple. A for apple. See here how to draw A of cursive writing. You have to put your pencil on the second blue line. See here and draw a slanting line. One more slanting line and a loop between these two lines. A for apple. The spelling of apple is Apple. Apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. See here. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. Then a loop. A semicircle. Then again a semicircle and stop here. B for ball. The spelling of ball is Ball. Ball. See here. The next letter is C. C for cat. You have to put your pencil on the first blue line. Draw a curve, a semicircle and stop here. C for cat. The spelling of cat is C-A-T. Cat. Now the next letter is, tell me the next letter. D. D for duck. See here. You have to draw a slanting line. आपको एक slanting line बनानी है. Then a loop. Then a semicircle and stop here. D for duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. See here. Draw a curve, a semicircle, one more semicircle. E for elephant. Now tell me the next letter. E for elephant के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? F. F for fish. See here. You have to draw a curved line and a slanting line. Then again a curve and a sleeping line on the first blue line. F for fish. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H. Fish. Now tell me the next letter. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. See here. Draw a curve, a semicircle, slanting line and a curve. G for grapes. The spelling of grapes is G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now the next letter is H. H for house. See here. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. A loop between these two lines. H for house. The spelling of house is H-O-U-S-E. House. Now the next letter is I. I for igloo. I for igloo. See here. You have to draw a curve, slanting line, one more slanting line and a curve. I for igloo. Spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Now the next letter is J. J for joker. See here. Draw a curve, slanting line and again a curve. J for joker. The spelling of joker is J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Now the next letter is K. K for kite. See here. Draw a slanting line, again a curved line, a loop, then again a curved line. K for kite. The spelling of kite is K-I-T-E. Kite. Now tell me the next letter. Very good. L. L for lion. See here, a curve, a loop, a slanting line, again a loop, then a curve. L for lion. The spelling of lion is L-I-O-N. Lion. Now the next letter M. M for monkey. See here. Draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, one more, and this is last slanting line. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now the next letter is N. N for nest. See here, a slanting line, again a slanting line, then one more slanting line. N for nest. The spelling of nest is N-E-S-T. Nest. Now tell me the next letter. O. O for owl. O for owl. See here, you have to draw a curve, one more curve, and stop inside. O for owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L. Owl. Now the next letter is P. P for peacock. See here, you have to draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, then a semicircle, and you have to stop here. P for peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now the next letter is Q. Q for queen. See here, you have to draw a curve, one more curve, then a loop and a curved line. Q for queen. The spelling of queen is Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Then the next letter is R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. You have to draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a curve, the loop, and again a curved line. R for rabbit. The spelling of rabbit is R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Now tell me the next letter. R for rabbit के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? S. S for seller. S for seller. Now what you have to do? You have to match the dots and draw the letter S. Cursive letter S draw करना है. Now you have to speak with me. S for seller. Speak with me. S for seller. The spelling of seller is S-A-I-L-O-R. Seller. S-A-I-L-O-R. Seller. See here. You have to put your pencil on the second blue line. Draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. Now again you have to draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. A slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. Now again you have to speak with me and write with me. S for seller. S for seller. See here. Draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. Again, slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. Now see here. Here you have to draw letter S without tracing. यहाँ आपको dots given नहीं है, then आपको without tracing letter S लिखना है. What you have to do? You have to put your pencil on the second blue line. आपको second blue line पर pencil रखनी है, then slanting line बनानी है, then आपको loop बनाना है like this. Then you have to draw a semicircle like this, then a curve. S for seller. Again draw with me. A slanting line, a loop, a semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. See here. A slanting line, a loop, semicircle, and a curve. S for seller. The spelling of seller is S-A-I-L-O-R. Seller. Now in your homework, what you have to do? You have to Do the practice of cursive letter and click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है चिल्ड्रन, कर्सिव लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.